One other stock we were watching this morning is Carvana. That one, I think you have a little bit more to say about in terms of your personal experience. That stock is down to RBC is the one that's downgrading this one here. Not being downgraded to an underperform though here. It's just going to sector perform, which is basically a neutral. This one too has rallied, and it's a similar call here from Brad Erickson over at RBC. He says it's no longer able to justify the risk reward as asymmetrically positive. And basically that, also the company bought something called ADESA. You probably know more about this than I, and that's going to be challenging, that integration, Saz.
Well, I had a favorable experience. So I bought my car during the pandemic from Carvana. It just showed up on a trailer. It was actually quite exciting and gave me a new Instagram photo. But look, I think there's still a lack of belief out there on Carvana on Wall Street that this company is actually changing the vehicle buying experience. The fact is, it is, and it just comes back down to valuation. Does the current valuation justify how far the stock has run and the company's future fundamentals? And there still continues to be a lot of questions if it does justify that. So I understand where this analyst is coming from. I will note too, Julie, we talked to Hertz's CEO yesterday, and he mentioned again that Hertz is going to be supplying cars to Carvana under a new deal. I wonder how that shapes up over time. If I'm looking for a new car or a used car in Carvana, and that's what they sell, I don't want a Hertz car. No offense to Hertz. I mean, they service their cars, but still, rental cars usually get pretty battered and beat up.
Yeah, but that's a long time sales channel for used cars, actually, are those used rental cars. So that's not necessarily a new thing, but maybe it's an expanded thing, especially with pricing being so high. Maybe if individuals are looking for bargains, and if Carvana's looking for a new channel, maybe that makes more sense than ever.
I don't want an SUV with 400,000 miles on it. I'm just saying.
Yeah, maybe 100. I don't know. Maybe, I mean,
Okay.
if you need a deal, it's hard to find those in today's market. So maybe that's the trade-off that you got to make.